The root causes of lifestyle diseases. When most of us go to a doctor, we expect the doctor to diagnose our disease and give us a treatment, a medication, a surgery, a drug, herbal therapy, a massage. That would be nice, right? But there is an urgent need to shift our perspective from treating symptoms to removing the root cause of disease. When I was studying to become a naturopathy and yoga physician, the first sentence I heard in the first class I attended was this: the body heals itself. 4 words, very simple, right? Think about it. When you fall down, you scrape your knee. What do? You wash it, you rest it for a couple of days, and it gets better by itself, right? The body heals itself, the body repairs itself. But if you fell down the same place every single day, you hurt your knee again and again and again, that wound is never going to heal. You could go to a doctor, you could get an ointment, you can take a painkiller, it'll feel a lot better. But as long as you keep hurting yourself there, the wound is not going to get healed. If you stop falling down, if you avoided going out to the same place and tripping over the same stone again, then the body does heal itself and your knee will get back to normal. This is the exact same case with chronic lifestyle diseases as well. Each time we eat food, after we eat for the next few hours, the body goes into what's called a postprandial oxidative state. It means that the food that we've eaten is getting digested, absorbed, metabolized by the body, and in that process, it's releasing a lot of molecules called free radicals. Now, these free radicals are generated inside each and every cell of the body as it uses glucose to produce energy. And it starts destroying the cells from the inside out. The free radicals inside the cells, inside the blood, all of this increases. After a few hours, once this heightened metabolism starts slowing down, coming back to normal, the free radical production also reduces. But if we eat healthy food, the postprandial state does not happen the same way. The nutrients in this food, in healthy food, keeps us protected from this free radical production and keeps our bodies healthy. The number one cause of death in India is ischemic heart disease. Out of all the different diseases that we suffer from and die, heart disease kills off more Indians than any other cause as of today. Now, we know that this is a disease that has increased in recent times. However, in the 1960s, it was not very prevalent. Not many people in India were dying from heart disease. Or so we thought. A group of researchers in Madras decided to study this and find out exactly when does this disease start and how many of us who consider ourselves healthy without any disease, like you and me, already have the starting stage of heart disease, right? Because a heart disease is not like a cold. You can't go out in the rain and you could catch a cold, but you can't catch a heart attack very easily. You need to have had heart disease for several years first, and then you can get a heart attack in a number of ways. So what they did was they took 500 people who were suffering from unrelated conditions like road traffic accidents, right? Healthy people who had unfortunately passed away, took a piece of their arteries from their hearts, put it under a microscope to find out how many of these so-called healthy people already had heart disease. What they found was shocking. They found that above age 20, 100% of Indians already had the starting stages of heart disease. By age 10, 95% of us already had the disease. They found heart disease in a small 2.5-year-old baby. More and more research was conducted, and today we know that heart disease is a condition where the predisposition starts when you are just a fetus in your mother's womb, even before we are born. By the time we're 10 years old, we have the starting stages called fatty streaks. By the time we're 20, 30, it develops into plaques, and in our 30s and 40s, it starts killing us off in the form of heart attacks, strokes, aneurysms, and gangrene. All of these are the same disease in different vessels of the body. So what do we do? When you really think about it, if you are above 10 years of age watching this video and you have not been diagnosed with any condition, chances are you already have the starting stages of heart disease according to this study. Is there anything we can do about it? Yes, absolutely. Heart disease has been proven to be a preventable, treatable, and even reversible conditions. More than 80% of people who were put on a whole food, plant-based diet, along with exercise and meditation every day, relaxation practices every day, were found to reverse heart disease in just a span of 1 year. Right? At the end of 5 years of the study, about 80% to 83% of these people were free from heart disease. So we know that this condition is preventable and treatable just by changing our diet and lifestyle. You see, the root cause for heart disease and other related chronic lifestyle diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and obesity comes from 3 factors in our lifestyle. Number 1 is the food that we eat. Number 2 is our physical exercise. And number 3 is mental stress. These are the 3 factors that we need to look at. Yes, our body is a powerful healing machine, but as long as it keeps getting injured every single day, it is unable to repair this constant repeated injury. All we need to do is step out of the way of the body, remove these root causes of disease in these 3 areas of our lifestyle, and the body finally gets an opportunity to heal itself. At Sampoorna Ahara, we believe that every person wants to be healthy. The only problem is actually changing your diet and lifestyle and not knowing enough about it. So what we have done is we have taken the best of scientific evidence, we've compiled it, we've distilled it, and prepared the healthiest possible meals that one can eat in order to get our optimal health and longevity. On our website, you'll see the 5-day trial that we offer, where you can try our meals for 5 days. It could help you as a kickstart towards changing your own diet at home after the 5 days, or to continue taking fresh meals delivered to your doorstep so that you can comfortably sit at home and completely change your diet to the optimal, ideal, healthy diet and live the longest possible, the healthiest possible life for you and your family. Be blessed.